Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I am your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen. My mother is behind me getting some baked potatoes ready to go with the meal that I'm preparing. Today we are going to do I did this video, I filmed it, I didn't like the way that it turned out because I was going to try to do something a little different with the style of video that I was doing, and unfortunately my video software won't handle what I'm trying to do, so I'm going to reshoot the video. It's very simple. This is a stolen recipe from Paula, but I'm going to modify it so this isn't completely hers. It's called corn casserole. Very simple. The ingredients are 1 can of cream style corn, 1 can of whole corn drained, 1 can of Jiffy corn mix, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 stick of butter melted. And you take those simple ingredients and you add them to a greased casserole. I'm using Southwest Mexicorn kind of thing, so it's got a little bit of green pepper, a little chili in there. I think it's, I don't know if it's chili or if it's just green pepper. It is poblanos and red pepper. That's going to give it just a little bit of color, not much. 1 pack of the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 cup of sour cream, and I've got the butter melted. Now to grease the pan, grease the casserole, it's really simple. You just take the wrapper from the stick and you rub that around the inside of the pan and then you melt your butter. You're going to mix these together, and she says to add some cheese to it and some cheese on it. That's where I change up a little bit. I don't want the cheese in it. We made this before without the cheese and it's just fine without. If you like cheese, that's fine. Whatever cheese you want, I guess. Probably pepper jack would be nice in here, or maybe just a little cheddar or Colby, who knows. And for my last change up of the recipe is because my dad for some reason turned his nose up this and wouldn't try it last time. I don't know why, and I'm going to leave some of it in case he wants to try it, but for me and my mom I'm going to add some drained green chilies. These are the diced green chilies, fire roasted and peeled. And I'm going to just mix that into, I'm not going to do the whole can, I'm just going to do about half of it. And I'm just going to mix that into half of the casserole. And I'll leave half of it plain for my dad in case he wants to try it. He's not big on hot and spicy. He could probably handle green chilies though. And that's it. You're going to bake this at 350 degrees for an hour uncovered. And it's going to come out just absolutely beautiful. You'll see it then. We're going to get this ready to go, and we'll show you the taste test. My mom will come over here for that, of course.
Of course.
That'll be in just a few minutes, so stick around. Alright, so it is an hour since I put this in. It is cooked through. Oh, it's brown around the edges, pulling away, so it should be. Soft and creamy. Alright, now it's going to be very hot so don't burn your mouth. Do you want salt or pepper?
Probably not.
Okay. This one's a little creamier than the last one. But also it's not set yet.
Right.
The stuff slid by it. But it definitely smells like corn.
It tastes like corn. It's still good.
Mm-hmm. Very good. I wanted to put fresh jalapenos in there, not the canned diced chilies, but Walmart didn't have any fresh jalapenos. Again, Walmart lets me down. I don't know why that surprises me. I really don't. But with the green chilies, I think it does add a little bit more flavor, a little more profile, rounds it out a little bit better. So I do like it in there with that.
And some color.
And a little color. Of course, the fresh ones, fresh jalapenos would have been a little bit more vibrant, but and a little crisp, a little texture. But I think I still love this. I think you could have gone for a little longer. It's a little bit thicker casserole than I had the last time. But I think it's very good. This is, like we've done this before. It's an easy throw together kind of thing for the side. It takes 1 hour, and it's a great side for other foods. We're having this with meatloaf and a mashed baked potato, so this will be our side for that dish. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you try this. is Paula Dean's recipe. We just made it our own by not putting the cheese in. You could put cheese in there if you want, and we put the green peppers in. We'll do whatever you want. It's yours. If you like other things in there, go ahead and knock yourself out. Black beans might even be good in here.
Yeah.
So,
More color.
more color. Give it a try, folks. If you like it, make a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.